Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Tuesday, 29th March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold without VAT price is 231.65. With VAT is 266.40. For 22 carats gold, 1 gram price is 212.66 without VAT and 244.56 with VAT. For 21 carats, 1 gram price without VAT is 202.70 and with VAT is 233.11. For 18 carats, 1 gram price without VAT is 173.74 and with VAT is 199.80. For 14 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 135.52 and with VAT is 155.85. The 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 96.60 and with VAT is 111.09. For 6 carats gold, the without VAT price is 57.91 and with VAT is 66.60. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if you find this information useful, please like this video, and I request you to please share this video with your friends so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.